Strangers in the night, exchanging glances, wandering in the night.
Good evening,
What
Mr.
were the
Barnes.
chances
Good evening.
we'd be sharing love before the night was through? Something in your eyes was so inviting, something in your smile was so exciting, something in my heart told me
Hi,
I
Lloyd.
must have
Been
you.
away. Now I'm back.
Good evening, Mr. Thomas. Good to see you.
Strangers in
Good
the
to be
night,
back, Lloyd.
two
Where
lonely
have you been, sir?
people, we were strangers in the
Care of
night,
the dog that bit.
up to the moment when
Where
we
have you
said
been?
our first hello.
That'll do it.
Little did we know, love was just a glance away, a warm embracing dance away. And ever since that night, we've been together.
No charge to you, Mr. Thomas.
At first sight,
No charge?
forever,
Your money's no good here.
for strangers in the night.
Orders from the house.
Orders from the house.
Drink on, Mr. Thomas.
I'm the kind of man who likes to know who's buying their drinks, Lloyd.
It's not a matter that concerns you, Mr. Thomas. At least not at this point.
Anything you say, Lloyd. Anything you say.
Oh dear, I'm terribly sorry, sir. Oh dear. I'm in an awful mess of your jacket, sir.
Oh, that's alright. I've got plenty of jackets.
I'm afraid it's avocado, sir, so it tends to stain.
Advocate, is it?
Yes, I think the best thing is to come along to the gentleman's room and we'll get some, water.
Looks as though you might have got a spot of it on yourself there, Jeeves the old boy.
Well, as a matter, sir, you're the important one.
That's awfully nice of you to say. Of course, I intended to change my jacket this evening before the fish and goose soiree.
You gotta be kidding